Today we're going to be reviewing the Geekvape Aegis Legend kit, and we're going to start right now. I'm Rowan Warhunter, and in this video we're going to be reviewing one of my favorite mods, the Geekvape Aegis Legend. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when we upload our next video. And keep watching to find out how you can get 10% off your new Aegis kit from Stinky Canuck. The Geekvape Aegis Legend kit is $109.99 at Stinky Canuck. It's available in many different colors, takes two 18650 batteries, and is adjustable up to 200 watts of power. Let's open the box and have a look at what's inside. In the box you get your device, the Aero shield tank, replacement glass, replacement coil, and a box of accessories. The Aegis Legend device is a nice solid feel with a leather covering and a rubber coating on the outside. Has a standard 510 connection with a heavy silicone plug for the USB charging port. The device has a IP67 waterproof, shockproof, dustproof rating. So we'll insert one battery this way, one battery this way, and then clip the door shut. I'm going to turn the device with 5 clicks on the power button. This device is adjustable up to 200 watts of power or down to 5 watts. It also has multiple modes. You can adjust by clicking the power button 3 times, which will highlight your mode at the top, and you can adjust through power, temperature control for nickel, stainless steel, titanium. It has a TCR mode, a variable power curve mode, and a bypass mode for straight battery voltage. The tank that comes with the Aegis Legend kit is the Aero tank. It has a 4 ml capacity with the bubble glass, a simple twist and remove to reveal the 2 large ports for top filling, has 2 large adjustable airflow on the bottom, and a changeable coil. The coil which comes pre-installed is the Mesh X1, which is a 0.2 ohm mesh coil. And the spare coil which comes with the tank is an IM4, which is a quadruple coil Cantal. You also get a straight replacement glass, which will reduce the tank's capacity to 2 milliliters. In your box of accessories, you'll find the USB charge cable, a baggie of spare seals, O-rings, and a 510 drip tip adapter, as well as a replacement plug for your USB port and replacement screws for the top plate. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to use that coupon code that you saw in this video to get 10% off your new Aegis kit from Stinky Canuck. And do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave me a comment down below. The link to our website will be in the description. We look forward to seeing you for our next video. Vape on!